What's up, friends? This is Obi with Throdle, and I'm here by gorgeous Pagoda Roadster. Or is it a pagoda? Let's figure it out and see what's going on here. This was the successor to the 300 SL Gullwing. And when it came out, it got a bit of a lukewarm reception because it was not as exotic, didn't have the thoroughbred racing history of the 300 SL. But time has been kind to this car. The lines just continue to look better. And even though it doesn't have the Pagoda removable hardtop, this is still a beautiful car. Now, let's talk next level. This is an SLK, much more contemporary Mercedes hidden underneath. If you look at the interior, you can see that they added a few toggle switches, custom wheel, custom gear shifter select. But when you really look, you see that SLK in here. Now, one of the big things that we see when people try and put a classic body on a modern powertrain is that the proportions don't really work right. You can see that it's like, well, it's almost a classic car, but not right. This car has perfect proportions. The silhouette is not stock because of the wide body, but the length is just right. I couldn't even see it, and this is one of my favorite cars of all time. So that tells you the quality of this car and how well they did it. You wouldn't even know it was a new car, but it is. What are your thoughts on this beautiful car? Download the Throdle app. Check me out on I Would Buy This Ride on Throdle. Leave some comments down below. We'll see you next time.